In today's video, we are unboxing the Baby Brezza one-step sterilizer dryer. This is 4-in-1. It sterilizes and dries. Automatically dries bottles after steam and sterilizing. It sterilizes, it dries, and it can hold and store your bottles, up to 6 bottles plus the accessories that come with it. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Now, one thing I gotta say about Baby Brezza is their packaging is ridiculous. It's like so ridiculously awesome how awesome their packaging is. I wonder if they took a note from Apple. All right, let's see what we got in here. No, that was just covering up the cord. I'm gonna take this off. I'm just gonna throw everything kind of to the side here. Down inside here, we have, looks like the manual, so you'll want to read that. Looks like a lot of stuff to read, but it looks like it's probably important to read. Let's pull this thing out. This thing is, hold on, let me get this thing out of the way. This thing is shrunk wrapped. I guess it's to keep baby safe. I don't know why this thing's in so much shrink wrap. I don't see nothing else in the box, so we now have an empty box. Why is this thing shrink wrapped? Let's see. All right, well, let's take a look at this, and then I'm gonna cut this thing open. I wonder if this stuff is just kind of precariously in there, like it's just barely sitting. I don't really know, but we should find out soon enough. So let's take a look. Let me go get the knife. I'll be right back. So I shrink wrap this thing, that's cool. Yes, so I'm gonna start right here. And it's like a hard plastic shrink wrap too. It's not like a soft plastic. I must disclose that Baby Brezza did send us this product for free, so shout out to Baby Brezza, thank you for doing that. And right now we're just unboxing this stuff and taking a look at it. Get this shrink wrap off of here. Oh, I see why. I see why they did it. Okay, hold on. Let me get this shrink wrap out of the way. All right. That's noisy, super noisy. Okay, so they shrunk wrapped this because the lid does kind of sit on here a little precariously. And I got this little cardboard thing, I guess, so that this thing doesn't get damaged. Huh, it's like a little carousel. So, what do we have here? We have the lid. We have I want to call this a carousel. I'm not sure what they call it. Maybe it's the holder. It's where the bottles and things like that go on each one of these things, and then accessories at the top. So, okay, that's cool. And then you have the heating unit. This is the computer and all the computer parts and stuff like that. This looks like a pretty cool thing. On the back side, it looks like a vent for the filter because there is a fan. If you look right here, in this little area right there, that's where the fan is, and that's where it's going to blow a lot of air into your sterilizer slash dryer thing. Relatively short cord. It's not as short as the bottle warmers cord, but I think having a shorter cord is always better with appliances like this so that they don't accidentally get pulled off the counter. So what do we have on this front? So we have what looks like power button, an automatic steam or sterilize and dryer. You have dryer, which is the fan, and then a sterilizer, which is like the little squiggly lines, and then of course LCD. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this works. So joining us in a video right over there, we will show you how to use this Baby Brezza one-step sterilizer dryer. Look forward to seeing you there.